When rolling 2 dice, what is the probability that a sum will be 10 or greater? So since I'm rolling 2 dice, I'm going to go ahead and write up my chart here. I got something that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, sum of 10 or greater. Let me think about where I can start getting a sum of 10. Well, over here, 4, 6, that has a sum of 10. That means 5, 5, and 6, 4 also have a sum of 10. 5, 6, and 6, 5 have a sum of 11, and 6, 6 has a sum of 12. So the probability of getting a sum of 10 or greater, let's call this E. The probability of E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 36. I could reduce that down to 1 out of 6, but I'd probably want to reduce that. Why not? Okay, so the probability of getting a 10 or greater, a sum of 10 or greater, would be 1 out of 6. What is the probability of getting a sum less than 10? Well, notice that this right here, the sum of getting 10 or greater, is a complement of getting a sum less than 10. So getting 10 or greater means we get a 10, 11, or 12. Getting less than 10 means we're getting a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, or 2. So I could go through the process of adding all these up and counting out all these individual boxes, but what would be easier than that would be to use the complement rule, saying the probability of E complement is 1 minus the probability of E. Probability of E we just found to be 1 out of 6, and thus I'll call this 6 out of 6 minus 1 out of 6, and thus the probability of E complement, or the probability of getting a sum less than 10, would be 5 out of 6.